Wait, are you using AI completely wrong? Seriously, if you're just typing generic prompts into a chatbot and crossing your fingers, you're missing the boat. Welcome to this explainer. Today we are breaking down the massive 2026 updates to Google's NotebookLM. We're talking about taking your absolute mess of files and turning them into a highly intelligent, personalized AI brain. Not just a basic chatbot, but an actual thinking workspace that deeply understands your workflow. Stick around, because by the time we get to feature number 7, you're going to feel like we're living in a sci-fi movie. Let's get right into it. So, back to that bold claim. Are you using AI wrong? Most people are. The way we work with artificial intelligence is fundamentally shifted, and honestly, if you're stuck in the old way of doing things, you're totally missing the actual revolution happening right under our noses. And here's exactly why this matters to you right now. Think about your workflow today. It's probably total productivity chaos, right? You've got messy PDFs buried in one folder, 50 random browser tabs open, notes scattered across 3 different apps, voice memos on your phone, and data lost in some massive spreadsheet. You end up spending hours just hunting down the info you already have before you can actually start your real work. That fragmentation? That's exactly what NotebookLM is built to destroy. Which brings us to the core problem with normal AI: internet hallucinations versus grounded facts. Look, to understand why this update is a game changer, we have to talk about the elephant in the room. Normal AI chatbots are amazing, but they pull from the vast, crazy, unregulated internet. And because they do, they hallucinate. They literally make stuff up. So to fix this, NotebookLM pulls only from the sources you upload. When you're doing serious professional work or deep academic research, you absolutely cannot afford fake facts. With this, you aren't talking to the whole internet anymore. You're talking to an ultra-smart assistant trained strictly on your trusted knowledge. It's literally like building your own AI research assistant trained entirely on your brain. And because it only uses your documents, it completely solves the trust issue. Every single answer it spits out comes with a clickable citation. You can literally click that little number and boom, you jump instantly to the exact paragraph in your original file. That means instant verification, zero fake info, and way faster workflows because you're never left guessing where the AI got its answer. So, how do we use this? Let's talk about building your project brain and consolidating your knowledge. This unlocks a totally new way to work. Instead of having information scattered everywhere, the absolute best way to use this tool is by building what we call a project brain, a central command center for a specific task. Just look at the insane variety of files you can drop into this system. Say you're launching a startup. Inside one workspace, you can upload formal business plans, raw YouTube transcripts from your competitors, massive meeting notes, heavy financial spreadsheets, and even your own rambling voice memos. The AI instantly digests the whole shebang and understands the full context of your project. And get this number: 50. You can upload up to 50 distinct, heavy sources into a single notebook. That is wild. You are basically building a private AI headquarters where 50 massive documents are all talking to each other, fully accessible and searchable by you in plain English. But, and this is a big but, here's where most people mess up. They treat it like a basic search engine. You gotta use targeted prompts. Don't just ask it to summarize this file. You want to ask complex, analytical questions. Tell it to identify contradictions across all uploaded reports. Ask it to find the weak spots in your strategy, or cross-check competitor pricing across all 50 documents at exactly the same time. That's the real magic here. It doesn't just summarize. It connects ideas. It can spot missing data, audit your research gaps, and seamlessly cross-reference a dense spreadsheet with a random voice note you recorded 3 weeks ago. It synthesizes complex concepts across totally separate files, which literally saves you hours, maybe days, of manual cross-checking. All right, let's shift gears to audio podcasts and visuals, or as I like to call it, interactive learning in 2026. This is where things get genuinely wild and completely change how we consume our most boring, dense information on the go. Enter audio overviews. This feature actually transforms your dry documents, like lecture notes or heavy business reports, into an AI-generated podcast. And no, it's not some robotic, clunky screen reader. We're talking about 2 AI hosts bantering and discussing your files naturally, just like real human beings. Imagine commuting or cooking dinner while listening to an engaging deep dive on your own internal corporate strategy. But hold on, it gets crazier. The 2026 update adds a live, interactive mode.
You can literally interrupt the AI podcast hosts while they're talking and ask them questions in real time. If they skim over a key metric from your spreadsheet, you just stop them and say, "Wait, break down that revenue growth for me again?" I mean, come on, that is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Learning isn't passive anymore. You are having a live, dynamic conversation with your documents.
And for all my visual learners out there, check out this frictionless 3-step process. Say you upload 200 pages of dense, raw research. You hit Generate, and instantly you see visual relationship maps. NotebookLM auto-converts massive walls of text into these beautiful, expanding mind maps. So instead of grueling line-by-line reading, you instantly see how everything connects. You can expand nodes and grasp massive, complex topics so much faster.
Plus, that instant generation goes way beyond mind maps. You can automatically turn that raw research into structured slide presentations, study flashcards and quizzes for exams, team onboarding docs for businesses, or even YouTube script outlines for creators. It basically wipes out that painful, tedious organization phase of your work entirely. You jump straight from a pile of raw data to a polished first draft. Huge game changer.
Moving on to my absolute favorite update, the deep research upgrade and autonomous knowledge gathering.
This right here might just be the single most overpowered feature of 2026. We are shifting from just organizing what you give the AI to the AI autonomously finding what you need. It compresses hours of grueling work into literally minutes. You give it a topic, and instead of you manually clicking through dozens of websites, deep research takes over. By minute 1, it's autonomously scanning massive amounts of web data. By minute 3, it's gathering cited sources. And by minute 5, it builds a fully structured knowledge report right inside your notebook. It does the heavy lifting of a 5-hour internet deep dive in 5 automated minutes. Let that sink in.
And because it automatically saves those newly researched sources right back into your workspace, we hit a massive paradigm shift, compounding knowledge. Every single time you run deep research, your notebook gets smarter. Your personal AI brain becomes incredibly valuable over time because it's constantly stockpiling and connecting new, verified info to your existing projects. That is a colossal shift for personal productivity.
Finally, let's look at custom AI personas and team collaboration, taking this into advanced workflows.
So far, this has just been your private brain, but now it scales up into a collaborative powerhouse. First off, custom personas. You don't just want a generic yes-man assistant, you want an expert. Now you can force the AI to act like a strict editor, tearing your rough draft to shreds, a marketing strategist grading your business plan, a coding mentor, or even a critical financial auditor looking for holes. By forcing a persona, the feedback you get out of your own documents becomes incredibly sharp and highly specialized.
And this means teams can finally collaborate with AI securely. You can now generate view-only links to your project brain. This lets your remote team, your startup, or your agency query the shared knowledge base, listen to those AI podcasts, and generate summaries, all without any risk of them altering or deleting your original files. You're basically handing your entire team access to an all-knowing oracle for your specific project.
So the big takeaway today is perfectly summed up right here. NotebookLM isn't just a basic note-taking app anymore. It is evolving into an entire AI-powered operating system for your knowledge. The future of productivity isn't treating AI like a magic 8-ball that you occasionally ask a random question. It's about building intelligent systems that deeply, fundamentally understand your unique information, your projects, and your goals.
Tools like this are absolutely going to rewrite how we learn, work, and create going forward. So, I gotta know from you, what is the craziest NotebookLM feature you want to try first? Are you going to interrupt the live AI podcast hosts, or are you jumping straight into the autonomous deep research? Drop your answers in the comments below, get out there and start building your first project brain, and I will catch you in the next explainer.